How are you? I think you are safe, you are well, and we are also well by the grace of God. Today we shall discuss in brief the position of the, and before this class we have studied indefinite articles, an, and some points of definite articles. Some remaining concept from standard 8 we have to follow. So next rules will be the is used before the names, used before the names of number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay. Number 1 newspaper, number 2 trains, number 3 holy books, holy book, newspapers, trains, ships, aeroplanes, trains, ships, aeroplanes, famous buildings, before this we have to use definite article the, because holy books name given, newspaper name given, trains name given, ships name given. Okay, always we have to place the definite article the. Just like example, through example we shall try to understand it. Example number 1. So the is used before the names of holy books, newspaper, names of newspapers, names of trains, names of ships, names of aeroplanes. Okay. Famous buildings. So through examples we have to understand, because a lot of rules containing in this part. So names of holy books, just like the Ramayana. The Ramayana, this is the name of the holy books. Okay, next example, newspapers, the Times of India, the Times of India, always followed by the number 3 trains, the names of train, the Rajdhani Express, The Rajdhani Express ships, the Titanic, aeroplanes, the Indian Airlines. और भी किसी का नाम आप दे सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है. The Indian Airlines. Famous building, the Taj. Okay, the Taj. वैसे आप टेम्पल भी लिख सकते हो, लोटस टेम्पल, जो भी, तो लोटस टेम्पल ही डाल दो. The Lotus Temple. Number 1, होली बुक्स. नेम ऑफ होली बुक्स, कोई भी होली बुक्स हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. द आप यूज करेंगे, नहीं तो आपका सेंटेंस गलत होगा. नंबर 2, न्यूज़पेपर्स. द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया. Number 3, train's name, the Rajdhani Express, not Rajdhani Express, the Rajdhani Express. Ships, the Titanic, name of the ships. Aeroplanes, the names of the aeroplanes, the Indian Airlines. And famous buildings, the Lotus temples, you have to use. Okay, then whole family, just like Scindia's family, so we have to use the introduced by the, like this circumstances. So very, very important rules. I think you have understood. Okay, okay. Next one we have to follow. Die is used used to form adjectives. Die is used to form adjectives. Okay, that function as nouns. To form adjectives, that function as noun. That function as nouns. Okay, as nouns. Used to form adjectives. Used to form adjectives that function as nouns. मतलब जिसका कार्य क्या हो, नाउन के तरह हो. जिसका कार्य क्या हो, नाउन के तरह हो. ओके, थ्रू एग्जाम्पल you have to understand there should not be any discrimination between the rich and the poor. Just like second example, there is no difference between the rich and the function as a noun. It's clear? The is used before a noun to show a unit of measurement. The is used. Next rule. The is used before a noun. Before a noun when it show a unit of measure. When it show, you have to show a unit of measure. It's important units of measure before we have to denote the. Okay, just take example from your books. The kilo. Next example, the liter. Next example, the dozen. Used before a noun to show a unit of measure. Number one, the kilo, unit of measure. You can't use kilo, the kilo will be correct. So, always take care it because this is the rules of determiners. And second will be the liter and third will be the dozen. Okay, next rules. Okay, next rules. The is used before names of musical instrument. Next rules, used before the names of musical instrument. Okay, musical instruments before we have to denote the. Through example we shall try. Okay, just like example, she can play or she plays. Okay, she plays the piano. Okay, piano. Very well. This is the name of instrument. It's clear? Okay. It's clear? Guitar. Guitar, that means the guitar. She plays the guitar. Any question? Any doubt? So through examples we shall try to understand the facts of articles and the facts of position of the and where we should place or not. So always take care on it because it will help you more and more, and it's essential for all of us. Okay, thanks. And in next class, important cases when articles are not used. Okay, no articles is used with in which circumstances we have to know, because it's very very important for all of us, important case, and you can't use articles before such that circumstances and before that criteria. So this is my advice. You will have to learn, you will have to remember the topic articles, because at any cost we shall have remembered it. So we have to remember it, not very hard. This is very simple. If once you understand, if you are not understanding it accurately and nicely, then it creates a lot of problem in front of you, and slowly you will feel a lot of doubts and a lot of problems. So I mean to say, always follow the topics of grammars, very important for you and very necessary for you. Okay.